Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. In this video, we are going to discuss how we can enable dark mode in Windows 11. So that being said, let's get started. Before that, let me tell you we had covered a detailed article on how you can upgrade your Windows 10 computer to Windows 11. So the article link will be on the description box. You can check this article to know how you can upgrade your Windows 10 PC to Windows 11. Now let me show you how you can enable dark mode in Windows 11. For that, simply click on Start button and click on Settings, or else you can simply right click on this Start button, then click on Settings, and here you will find a option called Personalization. Simply click on Personalization, and here you will find a theme called Dark Mode. Simply select this theme. The theme will enable dark mode on your entire Windows 11 system, as you can see here. If you don't find dark theme option here, then you can simply click on colors, and here we have an option choose your mode, and from the drop down menu simply select dark to enable dark mode. As I don't have Windows 11 activated on my system, that's why here I am not getting the drop down menu. If you have a activated Windows 10 computer, then here you will find the drop down menu and select the dark mode, or else you can simply choose the dark theme. So this way you can enable dark mode on your Windows 10 computer. So that's it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now, see you next video.